Good evening, one and all. In this session, let us learn C programming. Okay, so the program we are going to learn is printing array in reverse using pointers. Okay, just let me revise basic concepts. Okay, this is if this is our array, this will be the index number, right? So this will be the index number. Okay, and if you assume this will be the value, some values. Okay, and this will be our address, right? And so on, right? So now what is a pointer? So pointer is nothing but it holds the address. Okay, so if you assume this is my pointer variable, some ptr. Okay, so what ptr is assigning? Suppose, just let me quickly int a of some 10. Okay, I have defined an array, and here I have defined a pointer as well. Okay, so I'm just defining a pointer int star p. So s ptr we will be giving, there we have given ptr, so we will be giving ptr itself. So now this pointer, we have to point it to this array. So how we will be defining ptr equals to ampersand. What is our array name? My array name is a. Okay, so to which location, to which index it has to point? Initially I am pointing to the 0 index itself. Okay, so that means the static index. So what happens? You will be, this pointer will be pointing to the value at this particular address. Okay, I'll be just clearing these things, clear the drawings. So now just this ptr, after writing this line of statement, this pointer will point to the value at this particular location. Okay, so when I increment the pointer ptr plus plus, right? If I give like this ptr plus plus, so what happens? From location ptr plus plus. Okay, so from location 0 to, it will be pointing to the next location, and when it goes again ptr plus plus, third location, and then again it is going to point to the next location, and so on. Okay, so now we have to print. Now this will be assigning in the starting address. Now my goal is to print the array in the reverse order. So after reading all the values from the user, okay, so let us assign again the value ptr equals to ampersand a of n minus 1. That means the last location. Thereafter, by decrementing the I value and the pointer value, we will be printing the values on the output screen. So let us see the program on the online compiler. Okay. So here, right, I will be declaring an array of a of some 10. Okay, and then an I value. Again, I am declaring a pointer ptr. Okay, so here I am just reading printf enter elements. Scanf percentile D ampersand n. I'm reading the value of n. Okay. So now I'm just assigning PTR equals to ampersand A of 0. Okay. Next, I will be giving printf enter n elements. If I give n as 5, so printf 5 elements it will be returning. Printf enter elements. So it must be the value of n. Okay. So for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So what I have to do? I have to read the value of the array. So I will be just giving PTR. Okay. So thereafter I will be incrementing the pointer value. Now already by this line of statement we have read the value of n. Suppose I am taking the 5 values, so I am assigning to the initial index, right? So at this address starting of the array I have initialized. Later on I am just reading the elements of the array. Okay, and I am just pointing to that particular location. Okay, like incrementing the array. Okay, now I have to ptr equals to ampersand a of n minus 1. That means at the last location I am pointing the variable. Okay, for I equals to n, I greater than 0, I minus minus. Printf backslash n percentile d, you will be getting the value of I and then the value at ptr minus minus. Now just for displaying it in the next line of statement, I'm just giving backslash n. Let us run this program. Enter the elements. So I'm entering 5 elements. Enter 5 elements. So 78, 98, 65, 23, 12. Let us see whether they're printed in the reverse order or not. 4, 5 elements, right? So 12, 23, the next number 65, 98 and 78, right? So the given array is printed in the reverse order. Thank you all. Let us meet in the next session. Thank you.